Welcome to our channel. If your Uber gift card isn't working, it can be frustrating. There are a few common reasons why this might happen, but don't worry. We've got you covered with solutions to get it working again. Let's dive into the fixes. 1. Check the gift card balance. The most obvious reason your gift card isn't working is that it could have no balance left. Solution. Open the Uber app and go to Menu, Payment to check the balance of your gift card. If there's no balance, you'll need to reload the card or use another payment method. 2. Ensure the gift card is activated. If you purchased a physical Uber gift card, it may not have been activated at the store. Solution. Contact the store where you purchased the card to confirm it has been activated. Alternatively, if it's an online card, make sure you've redeemed it correctly by following the instructions in the email. 3. Enter the code correctly. You may have entered the gift card code incorrectly, leading to an error. Solution. Double-check the code for any typos or extra spaces. Make sure the code is entered in the correct section of the app, usually under Payment. 4. Update the Uber app. Sometimes, an outdated Uber app can cause issues with redeeming gift cards. Solution. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and make sure your Uber app is updated to the latest version. After updating, restart the app and try entering the gift card again. 5. Check your account's region. Uber gift cards are often region-specific, meaning the card might not work if your account region doesn't match the gift card's region. Solution. Make sure your account region is the same as the region the gift card is valid in. You can update your region in settings if needed. 6. Make sure you've met the minimum spend. Some gift cards only work when your order exceeds a certain minimum. Solution. Ensure your total order meets any minimum spend requirements for the gift card to apply. 7. Check for Uber account issues. Sometimes, issues with your Uber account can prevent gift cards from being applied. Solution. If you see any notifications about account restrictions or payment issues, resolve those by contacting Uber support. 8. Log out and log back in. Sometimes logging out and back in can solve temporary issues. Solution. Log out of your Uber account and log back in. Try entering the gift card code again to see if it works. 9. Contact Uber support. If none of the above solutions work, it may be time to reach out to Uber support for further assistance. Solution. Open the Uber app. Go to Menu, Help, Payment. Select Uber gift card issues and follow the prompts to contact support. Conclusion. If your Uber gift card isn't working, try checking the balance, ensuring the card is activated, entering the code correctly, updating the app, and verifying your account details. If all else fails, contacting Uber support should get you the help you need. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.